The BJP trying to make amends in Maharashtra. Senior BJP leader Rajiv Pratap Rudy was rushed to Mumbai to placate the Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray, who was upset that the BJP is reaching out to Raj Thakray's Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. Now both sides are trying to play down the tension.
एवढं सगळं चांगलं वातावरण असताना मध्येच कोणीतरी येऊन काही बोलायचं आणि चांगल्या घडत असलेल्या चित्रामध्ये बिब्बा टाकायचा तर मग नेमकं तुम्ही अधिकार कोणाला दिलेत ह्याचं एक उत्तर द्या.
Hurt and angry, Shiv Sena's Uddhav Thackeray slamming the BJP, targeting their senior leader Nitin Gadkari, who had secretly met his estranged cousin MNS chief Raj Thackeray, urging him not to contest the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Rattled by Uddhav, Rajnath Singh even dialing Matoshri as leader after leader rushed to placate their oldest ally.
Shiv Sena, I can categorically say, is our trusted alliance. And we are going to keep that alliance very strong.
But it's Raj's deal with the BJP that's upset the Sena, giving an assurance to support Modi as Prime Minister, but then Raj also pitching candidates against cousin Uddhav's party.
निवडून आल्यानंतर पाठिंबा घेऊन सरकार स्थापन करण्याची जर का तुमची नीती असेल तर मग आपल्यामध्ये आणि केजरीवालमध्ये फरक काय?
The comparison perhaps not off the mark. In 2009, the MNS contested 12 seats and won nothing. But they played spoilsport in 8 seats that could have gone into the NDS kitty but went instead to the ruling alliance.
Thackeray versus Thackeray. Though the MNS this time round may not have such a huge impact like in 2009. The never-ending battle between the two warring cousins is all set once again to hurt the NDA. Maharashtra, which has 48 seats, the second highest in the country after Uttar Pradesh, is crucial to every alliance, and the BJP is well aware. The political fallout of the Thackeray war is one which even a Narendra Modi wave cannot counter. In Mumbai with Saurabh Gupta, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.